Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that combining garlic with certain foods can be harmful to your health? Although garlic is a healthy food, there are certain foods you should avoid pairing it with. Garlic is indeed beneficial, effective in preventing high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and atherosclerosis, making it the best blood-purifying tonic to prevent cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases, the three leading causes of death. Therefore, knowing how to use and combine garlic properly is crucial to optimize its benefits and protect your health. With many nutritional values, garlic is known as a top anti-cancer food. But do people know that some foods can harm your health if eaten with garlic, especially for those over 50 years old? Nowadays, 1 in 3 people in our country has cancer, making this disease globally common. So, to protect your health and make the most of garlic's benefits, let's explore how to use garlic correctly. In this video, we will reveal the 3 worst foods you should not eat with garlic and the 3 best foods to pair it with. We will provide extremely useful information about garlic, a must-have food in your daily meals. At the same time, we will also share a simple but effective method to reduce the risk of disease, especially cancer, a disease that is becoming increasingly common. You will be guided on how to use garlic scientifically and effectively, helping you maintain a healthy life and prevent dangerous diseases. Let's get started right now. The first product that is the worst to consume with garlic is shrimp. Many people often eat shrimp with garlic without realizing that this combination can be harmful to health. Combining garlic with shrimp can lead to numerous serious health issues that many people are unaware of. Firstly, shrimp is a protein-rich food, and when combined with garlic, the allicin compound in garlic can interact with the proteins in shrimp, causing an unwanted reaction in the stomach. As a result, you may experience symptoms of indigestion and bloating, making the meal quite uncomfortable. Moreover, shrimp is a type of seafood that is easily contaminated if not properly prepared. When combined with garlic, the risk of food poisoning increases, especially if the shrimp is not thoroughly cooked, creating conditions for bacteria to thrive. Additionally, allicin in garlic, while having strong antibacterial properties, is also a strong irritant to the stomach lining. This is particularly dangerous for individuals with weak digestive systems or stomach conditions such as gastritis or peptic ulcers. Because this irritation can increase the risk of stomach lining damage, leading to more severe symptoms of stomach pain and ulcers. Even more concerning, some studies suggest that when shrimp and garlic are consumed together, they can form N-nitroso compounds, which are potentially carcinogenic. This is particularly hazardous for individuals over 50, whose digestive systems and bodies are less capable of fighting off harmful agents. Therefore, to protect your health and fully benefit from garlic, be cautious when combining garlic with shrimp in your daily meals. The first recommended food that pairs perfectly with garlic is chicken. The combination of garlic and chicken is particularly excellent. Allicin in garlic, the compound that gives it its spicy flavor, helps the vitamin B6 and B3 in chicken to be well absorbed by our bodies. When allicin and these vitamins combine, they are converted in the body into compounds that are great for recovering from fatigue, boosting energy, and providing antibacterial effects. Furthermore, the component in garlic that gives it its spiciness is great for maintaining muscle mass as you age. So from now on, be sure to eat garlic with grilled or roasted chicken, but that's not all. When you cook chicken, carcinogens such as acrylamide can form on the burned meat. When you eat chicken with garlic, garlic's powerful antibacterial properties help eliminate these carcinogens, flush out heavy metals, and kill bacteria that cause food poisoning, making for a healthier and safer meal. Garlic also neutralizes harmful substances in the proteins of meat, making it tender and easily digestible, while eliminating unpleasant odors. Thus, garlic and chicken are not only delicious together but also make the perfect healthy combination. Particularly for older adults, this combination helps prevent cancer and chronic diseases, protecting overall health. The second product on the list of the worst foods to consume with garlic is garlic pickles. Surprised? Many people eat pickled garlic, garlic with vinegar, or fermented garlic extract for health benefits. These methods help eliminate the unpleasant odor and pungency while preserving the health benefits of garlic, making them an excellent choice. Raw garlic remains virtually unchanged in its effectiveness when stored this way, and it is high in sulfides, which are beneficial for vascular health. Especially black garlic, which is fermented garlic, produces a new protein called gamma-glutamylcysteine during the fermentation process that enhances its antioxidant and disease-fighting effects. However, here's something worth focusing on. Some people should never eat those delicious garlic pickles, vinegar, or fermented extracts. First, people with weak stomachs and intestines should be particularly cautious. Allicin, the component that gives garlic its pungent flavor, has an excellent antibacterial effect, but during processing, it becomes more concentrated and stronger, severely irritating the gastric mucosa. Constantly irritating the stomach with such spicy and bitter foods can exacerbate symptoms such as gastritis and peptic ulcers. Additionally, the concentration process intensifies garlic's blood-thinning properties. This is especially worrisome if you are taking medications for high blood pressure, high cholesterol, stomach conditions, or aspirin, or if you are about to undergo surgery. These medications help dissolve blood clots, which garlic also helps to do. If you take prescription blood thinners and consume concentrated garlic juice or pickles, your blood may become too thin and not clot properly. This slowing of clotting can lead to uncontrollable bleeding and eventually severe hemorrhaging. Particularly for individuals over 50, this risk increases. As the body ages, its ability to combat harmful agents diminishes, and the stomach lining and liver become more sensitive to strong irritants. Consuming pickled garlic and garlic vinegar can create N-nitroso compounds, which are potentially carcinogenic, especially to the liver and stomach. Studies have shown that the risk of cancer significantly increases when the body cannot effectively process harmful substances, particularly in those over 50 years old. But that's not all. People with diabetes, especially those over 50, need to avoid garlic pickles, vinegar, and concentrates. The main reason is that these products often contain excessive amounts of sugar, which is detrimental to blood sugar control. Although the strong flavor of garlic might mask the sweetness, the truth is that pickled garlic contains a significant amount of sugar. Excessive sugar intake leads to obesity and increases insulin resistance, filling your bloodstream with sticky triglycerides. While garlic cleanses the blood, sugar consumption makes it sticky, nullifying garlic's benefits. Moreover, consuming sugar not only leads to diabetes but also shrinks your brain. High blood sugar shrinks the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, reducing its size. The habit of eating sweet foods destroys brain nerve cells and is the worst habit leading to dementia. Particularly for individuals over 50, whose bodies have already experienced significant functional declines, controlling blood sugar becomes more challenging. Consuming high amounts of sugar accelerates the risk of diabetes complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and even blindness. Therefore, for those over 50 with diabetes, Consuming sugar-laden garlic not only negates the benefits of garlic but also rapidly accelerates the onset of severe complications. So, stop consuming garlic marinated in sugar, even if it is considered a superfood. So don't eat garlic marinated in sugar anymore. The first recommended food that pairs perfectly with garlic is mushrooms. The allicin found in garlic, which gives it a spicy flavor, is not only good for boosting the immune system but also for brain health. This is due to the fact that it promotes the regeneration of nerve cells in our body. The allicin, allicin, and allocysteine contained in garlic are very effective in fighting diseases such as cerebral hemorrhage, stroke, and degenerative neurological diseases. They also have antioxidant effects, boost the immune system, and are great for fighting fatigue. But the pungent flavor can irritate the stomach and cause discomfort. In this case, combining garlic with mushrooms creates the perfect combination. Mushrooms are a nutritious food source, rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, B2, B3, selenium, and copper. Vitamin D in mushrooms helps to strengthen bone health, while B vitamins support metabolism and provide energy to the body. Selenium and copper are powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage and support the immune system. The nutrients, vitamins, and minerals found in mushrooms combined with the beneficial antioxidant components of garlic not only create a wonderful nutritional synergy but also soothe the stomach, making it easier to absorb and digest the nutrients. This combination is especially helpful in preventing cancer and other diseases, particularly in older adults. So from now on, be sure to eat garlic with mushrooms to maximize the health benefits they offer. The third product that goes worst with garlic is garlic chips, fried flakes. Frying garlic, despite its crispy texture and delicious taste, destroys most of its beneficial compounds, rendering it unhealthy. The high temperatures required for frying, especially with oils like corn oil, lead to the formation of harmful substances such as trans fats. These trans fats are notorious for increasing LDL cholesterol levels while lowering HDL cholesterol levels, significantly raising the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, the omega-6 fatty acids present in these oils disturb the balance of unsaturated fatty acids in the body, promoting inflammation. Inflammation is a key factor in the development and exacerbation of numerous chronic diseases, including atherosclerosis, arthritis, diabetes, and hypertension. Consuming fried garlic chips or flakes regularly can therefore pose a significant threat to your health, particularly for those already at risk of these conditions. The increased calorie content and the presence of harmful compounds in fried foods negate any potential health benefits garlic might offer. Finally, the third best food to combine with garlic. The National Cancer Institute has announced that you can cut your risk of the disease in half. Is it surprising to hear that garlic should not be fried but should be braised in olive oil to enhance its health benefits? Olive oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, complements garlic's properties, creating a powerful combination that benefits your health in multiple ways. When garlic is stewed in olive oil, the process activates and enhances its anti-aging antioxidants, polyphenol, and flavonoids. These compounds help dissolve blood clots, reduce inflammation, and improve brain health, offering a significant preventive measure against dementia and other cognitive declines. Raw garlic provides allicin and water-soluble vitamins like B and C, which are beneficial for immune support and overall health. When cooked, especially in a healthy oil, garlic's compounds become even more potent. This method of preparation ensures that the nutrients are preserved and enhanced, providing maximum health benefits. Therefore, replacing fried garlic with garlic braised in olive oil is a healthier choice that promotes long-term health and well-being. Finally, a tip for our dear subscribers. Thinly sliced, minced, or finely chopped garlic contains more allicin, which enhances its antibacterial effects. When you eat raw garlic, chew it thoroughly several times. If you stew garlic, finely chop or mince it to maximize its health benefits. This is a major health secret. So, we've covered the essential points about combining garlic with various foods to maximize health benefits and avoid unwanted risks. We hope this information will help you better protect your health and your family's health. As we've seen, garlic is a superfood with many wonderful health benefits, but improper use can lead to negative effects. Remember, garlic pickles, fried garlic, or concentrated garlic extracts can reduce or even destroy garlic's benefits. Instead, combine garlic with foods like mushrooms and chicken to maximize its nutrients and health benefits. Garlic combined with mushrooms not only creates a fantastic nutritional synergy but also helps protect cardiovascular health, boost the immune system, and prevent cancer. Mushrooms are rich in vitamins D, B2, B3, selenium, and copper, providing comprehensive protection for the body when paired with garlic. Chicken combined with garlic not only enhances the absorption of vitamins B6 and B3 but also aids in recovery from fatigue, boosts energy, and improves muscle health. When stewed in olive oil, this combination helps dissolve blood clots, reduce inflammation, and improve brain health, preventing dementia. We hope that this knowledge will help you adopt a more scientific, healthy, and balanced diet. Consider and apply these tips to your daily meals to protect your health in the best possible way. To ensure you don't miss any of our latest videos and get more useful health information, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Remember, health is our most precious asset. See you in the next videos.